So today I'm going to take you through the steps of buying a fractional share of a company on Robinhood. Now this is going to be a quick tutorial, so make sure you stick around through the whole thing. We're going to go ahead and load up the app right over here in real time. So while I'm here on the home page of Robinhood, you're going to go see where it says buying power, and I currently have $5 in here. You can actually buy fractional shares with as low as $1, so just something to keep in mind. So what we're going to do is kind of scroll through here. I currently have some stocks that I have invested in already that I can do, or you can hit the search bar and type in whatever company you want to invest in. Now, a majority of the companies will have fractional options, but there are a few that won't. So what we're going to do is go down, scroll over to where we see Tesla, and I'm going to go ahead and buy $5 worth of Tesla stock here today. So they're currently trading for $4.98. We're going to go ahead and click on that trade button towards that bottom right hand side. And we're going to click on the buy option over here. Now, first and foremost, it's currently set up for me to buy in dollars. As you can see on the top right hand corner, it says dollars. Just as an example, if you click on here, you're going to see where it says buy in shares or buy in dollars. We're currently buying in dollars in this regard. So it's going to tell me how much money I have available. You can see it says $5 available to buy Tesla. So we're going to go ahead and click on the 5. You could click more if you wanted to, and then it'll just ask you to deposit more, which it'll do right away for you. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on review, and then it's going to tell us a order summary. It says you are buying $5 worth of Tesla for the price of $498.53. So you're going to get approximately 0.0100 shares. So we're going to go ahead and swipe up. And once we do that, it says order received, and it goes through this process, and boom, we are now completed, and it says you have pretty much done your full order. We can click on done if we wanted to, and then we can see now we have a little bit more of a position in Tesla because we're able to buy fractional shares, which is a powerful thing. Now, I do want you to go through the process of learning more when it comes to utilizing Robinhood, so check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.